Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? I am so happy to see you again, and I am looking forward to having our cafecito together. Today I want to talk to you about something that you may have noticed. Have you noticed me using my hands quite a bit? Using my hands to kind of signal what things mean, or to kind of point you out to the right word, or just moving my hands in general? If you haven't, you probably haven't been watching my videos because I know I do it quite a lot. So why do I do it? The answer is actually pretty simple, and I'm going to give you two reasons of why I do this quite a bit. Number one, it's a cultural reason. A lot of Hispanics use their hands to talk all of the time. I have to tell you something. I didn't know I used my hands and I was this expressive until I moved to the United States, when I was clearly told that happened. And then when I talked to a lot of my Spanish-speaking friends, I started noticing the same things. So it is definitely cultural. And the second reason is that as a teacher, and somebody who went to college to actually become a teacher, specifically a foreign language teacher, it has been proven by research that doing a lot of heavy gestures and trying to act things out helps the student. I bet you that there are some things that you have been able to figure out without knowing the words because of my heavy gesturing. Make sure that you use it to your advantage. It is not sign language at all. I wish I knew how to do that, and I hope to learn sign language one day. But it is just trying to guide you to the correct answer, to new vocabulary and new grammar concepts, without having to really give you a direct translation in Spanish. ¿Qué haré hoy? Hoy yo voy a ir al gimnasio, voy a leer un libro, también voy a hablar por teléfono con mis estudiantes y voy a comer con una amiga. Continuemos nuestras clases juntos. Teacher Catalina habla mucho y usa las manos. Siempre estoy feliz de verte. ¡Adiós!